This is Elizabeth, and welcome back to GrowthWheel Online. In this video, we will cover how you can use the 30, 60, 90 days plan to help keep track of all of your to-dos and to-decides in your growth plan. Clicking on the growth plan, it takes us right to our 30, 60, 90 days plan. Here we can see that we already have some decisions and actions listed here. We can add more by clicking on the green plus decision action button. We can define what we want to add. Mark it as a decision, meaning we need to make a choice between some options, or an action, meaning it is a task we need to complete. Then select a focus area and click Save. You'll notice that the last thing we added is at the top of our 30, 60, 90 days plan. We can assign them to someone on the team or to our GrowthWheel Certified Business Advisor, or we can leave it unassigned. We can also create a timeline for when we need to complete these decisions and actions. The left arrow means it needs to be completed in the next few weeks. Or maybe it needs to be completed in the next 30, 60, or 90 days. Or perhaps it is something that doesn't need to be completed until the next quarter, but we don't want to forget about it, so we add it as a placeholder. We can sort our list in many ways. Clicking on Added By, we can sort them by who added them. Either we added them, or our GrowthWheel Certified Business Advisor added them. If you have more team members, maybe they added some as well. We can sort our list by type, either all the decisions or actions. We can click on the left arrow and see all the decisions and actions we need to make sooner rather than later. You can also search and filter. Maybe we just want to see the decisions and actions we need to complete that have to do with an upcoming leadership conference. As decisions and actions are completed, we can check them off and they automatically disappear from our list. But what if you accidentally checked off something that wasn't really done? Simply click on the funnel on the right just below the blue download button. Here you can change the view from uncompleted to view completed. We see the date when it was completed and can click it again to make it show up again on our uncompleted list. Or we can sort to see all completed and uncompleted items. In this way, we can keep our team and ourselves accountable as we move forward. If we ever don't want a particular decision or task to be visible on the downloaded growth plan, simply click the green eye under the heading Visible, and it will no longer appear on the downloaded growth plan. Finally, let's download the full growth plan with our ambition list, 360-degree screenings, 30, 60, 90 days plan, and outcome list. So that's how you and your team can use the 30, 60, 90 days plan to manage your to-dos and to-decides. If you have more questions, reach out to your GrowthWheel Certified Business Advisor. In the next video, we'll take a look at Advisor Relations and My Files tabs. Until then, this is Elizabeth with GrowthWheel, and I'll see you soon.